This video is going to demonstrate how to sign in and add content to your teacher website. Go to the Sign In button and click. On the Sign In page, scroll down and click the red Sign In with Google button. That will automatically sign you in if you are logged into Chrome. Once you are signed in, the Sign In button now turns into an Account button. Click on Account and go to Site Manager. Here you'll see all of the pages that are associated with your teacher site. If you wanted to delete or add pages, it's easy. To delete a page, just navigate to that page heading, go over to Actions, click the drop-down menu, and click on Delete. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete this page? And you would say yes. If you wanted to add a new page, just click the green New Page button, name your page, and then identify the type of page that you would like it to be. I'm going to make this a content page, so I'm going to click on Content Page. I'm going to scroll down and click Save and Continue. That brings me right into the page that I'd like to edit. You'll notice that there is an app in the page itself. If I wanted to add or take away any of the applications, I would just go over to the app library, find the app that I'd like to add to the page, click on it, and drag it over and drop it in. If there's an app on the page I do not wish to have on my website, I can just hover over the app itself and click the trash can to remove it. Content on our teacher sites can only be displayed on pages through these apps. So you can't just create a page and start typing to add content. You must drag an app over and add content through that app. In order to edit the contents of the app, just hover over the app and click the pencil icon. That will allow you to now edit the app. The editor looks just like any other Docs editor or Microsoft Word editor. It has a toolbar at the top that will allow you to format the contents of the page, and then now you can literally just start typing in and add content to your page. In order to make the website ADA compliant, you would need to use the headings icon in order to structure your teacher web page. So if I wanted to give my teacher web page a title, I can type in my title, and then I can highlight it and identify it as a title. The style of the text that you type will automatically be giving a text size and a color. I could still, if I wanted to, highlight that text, come over here to the styles icon, and identify how large or small I would like that text to be. So I'm not locked into the style that the headings icon defaults to. And I could center justify it if I'd like to. I can do all kinds of stuff. Now, as a teacher, I might want to format the contents of my page with the different subjects that I might teach. So if I teach math and English and science, they would be headings on my page, and I would need to format that accordingly. So I could highlight the word math and make that a heading. Highlight the word English, make that a heading, and the same with science. The reason why we need to do that is so that people that are using assistive technology to navigate through our website who might not be able to see and are using a screen reader can navigate and jump around the web page according to the headings that you put on your web page. So that's really important to make it ADA compliant. Now that I've structured my page, I can start adding content. So I can just click under math and I could start typing in my math instructions. If I wanted to add files or images, I can do so using the toolbar above. So if I wanted to insert an image, I can click on the Insert Image icon. I can now look for that image. I could either have it uploaded from my computer, it could be somewhere on the cloud. I can use an existing image that I've used in the past or a shared image, or I can just choose clipart. I can pick an image that I'd like to input into my page, hit continue, and now I must provide alternate text to describe that image, again, to make this page ADA compliant. So right now I have a teacher holding an apple, so I might describe this image as teacher holding an apple. I can set my height and my width with pixels, I can align it, I can do all kinds of stuff to it, and when I'm ready to insert it, I can insert it, and now the image appears on my page. I could still, if I wanted to, resize it by choosing the image, selecting it, grabbing the handle, and resizing it. If I wanted to insert a file onto my web page, I would navigate to the Insert File icon on my toolbar. I could either upload it, grab it from the cloud. If I grab it from the cloud, I can go directly to Google Drive, choose the account that I'm going to grab the file from, which is my account, click on the permissions to allow my Google account to be accessed. And now I can go to the folder that my file exists on, hit select, hit continue, and now I need to provide alternate text for the file, and this file is a Google Sheets tutorial. It describes what that file is after I upload it to my web page. I click Insert File, and now my Google Sheets tutorial file can be accessed directly from my teacher site. And the same would hold true for links. If I wanted to insert a link on my teacher page, I just click the Insert Link icon. I can just put in a web address, like say www.google.com. The text to display, I could say this is going to be my Google search engine. You always want your target to open in a new window. Then you click Insert Link, and now here is my link to my search engine. So I've just added an image, a file, and a link to my teacher site. When you are finished, you can click the Save button. Then I can close out my app. I can close out my teacher page, and if I want to view my contents, I just click View Website, navigate to the page that I created, and there are my images, my files, and my sheets. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to any of the tech facilitators, myself, Chris Corney-McGee, Joe Valver, or Kara Floodman. Reach out to us via email, and we'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.